Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bugs Coins and welcome back to the channel. I have a new series, or a new set from a series. I have been doing the wildlife coins for a few months now, and we have the new series, and this is the Wetland series of coins. They're all from, let me just bring that in for you. They're all from Guernsey. Oops, let's just bring it down. They're all from Guernsey from 2022. They have the Queen's portrait on them. Queen Elizabeth II's portrait. All of the reverses are the same, so I'll just concentrate on the obverses. Sorry, on the reverses rather than the obverse. The first one is a water shrew. These coins have in the past had a pretty checkered history as to the standard of the coins. We've had, particularly in the second series, or the second set, we had very bad marking and scuffing around the outsides and the edges. I sent mine back and had it replaced, and I believe Callie also had the same problem and did the same thing. However, since then they've improved. There are still some slight marks on some of the coins, but they're nothing unusual, and this set is not brilliantly uncirculated, it's just uncirculated quality. Now, I don't know whether these are actually going out into general circulation or not. I've not seen any yet. From the previous, I think it's the previous 5 series, I've not seen one actually come out into the general circulating coins from Guernsey, but I just might not have been in the right place at the right time, as they say. So therefore, you know, it could be that I've not seen them. The second coin, of course this is a Wetland series, is a water vole. Again, the quality of the actual coin, quality of it in the sense of the way that it looks and the way that it's being produced seems to be a lot better than, what I say, the second and even the third series was a bit wonky at times on a couple of the coins, but the last 2 or 3 series have done very well, and I've enjoyed them, and I'm glad I've got them in my collection. And I love animals on coins, and I think most of us do watching this particular video. This one here is the otter. Again, the animal is well defined and well depicted on the coin. You even have some of the coat is the way that the coin is being minted. The coat looks like a layered coat, very lifelike. The fourth coin is a common toad. Not one of my more favoured animals of the wetlands, the toad. But again, a very well represented coin. I'm going to skip ahead one to the last coin in this particular one in this packaging, and that's a common frog. The reason why I've left the 5th coin out, and I'm going to do it last, is it happens to be my favourite. So this is a common frog. Again, it's well defined. The actual skin of the frog and the markings of the frog are shown quite clearly on the actual coin. finally, my favourite coin of this set, simply because they're probably one of the rarest ones, that rarest things you're going to find in the wetlands. That's a great crested newt. I remember catching these when I was a kid and looking for the red bellies and the white bellies and all sorts of things, and we had normal newts and great crested newts, and I don't think I really understood how endangered these particular animals were, but we never sort of took them out of the environment. We caught them, put them back into their natural environment. So many of them did survive. The problems with the newts are that the habitat that they breed in is, a lot of it has been taken away just recently, over the past 30 years, and they are now quite seriously endangered, and it would be an absolute crying shame if we lost them, because they're a lovely little creature. So that's my review for this coin set. Do you like the coins? Have you got this set? Or have you splurged a little bit and bought the colour set? I do like the colour coins that I've seen, but for what they are, they're so expensive. So I just collected the Cooper nickel sets instead. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, as I have done here, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, I do 4 videos a week. I would love to have you along for my ongoing journey through coins and memorabilia and collectibles and such like, and militaria. So if you have not done so already, please subscribe. I have hit my target a little earlier than I expected to for this year, which was 100 subs. So thank you very much to everybody who has already subscribed. There is a 100 subscriber giveaway that's running until, I think it's the 23rd of this month. So if you've not done so already, go and find a video in my area, and if you haven't done so, please would you, it's a free thing to join, and it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can have I will send the prize that you choose out to you at your location. But until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you so much for watching, and until we meet up again, from me, bye bye. Ta-ra now. Ta-ra.